Dear students, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I'm Rifat Masoodi, going to teach you the sounds of letters. We will try to produce the sound of letter H and I. Dear students, this is capital letter H and this is small letter h. The sound of H is ha. The sound of H is ha. H for house, H for hen, H for house, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. Now the capital letter I. This is capital letter I and this is small letter I. The sound of I is eh. The sound of I is eh. I for each worm, I for ink pot, I for igloo. Eh 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 eh. एक बार फिर से मैं पढ़ूंगी. H, कैपिटल लेटर H. H का साउंड क्या निकलता है? क्या निकलता है? H for house, H for hen, H for house. फिर इसके बाद क्या है? उसके बाद क्या है? I. ठीक है ना? I का साउंड क्या निकलता है? I का साउंड निकलता है ए. क्या निकलता है? ए. I for each worm, I for ink pot, I for igloo. Thank you.